Colson, can you say pepperoni?
Pepperoni.
Good job. Did you have pepperoni for dinner?
Uh-huh.
Yes, please. What else can you say? Oh, what does a pirate say?
Go, go.
Good job. Daddy, what else did he learn this weekend? What did you learn?
Go.
Yeah, I know. Did you go to the beach?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Say no.
Yeah, see, I just didn't like the water.
I like Papa.
You didn't like the beach. You loved the pool.
No.
Did you like the pool?
I like cool.
Did you go swimming?
No.
Did you go down the sliding board?
I like say what?
You went down the sliding board? Did you miss Tessa?
I'm Sasha.
Yeah. Did you eat ice cream?
Yeah.
I don't like ice cream very much. No, it's too
I
cold.
see Elmo.
Did you see Elmo?
Yeah.
Who else did you see?
Sassy.
Sesame Street?
Go, go, Ollie.
What?
Go, go, Ollie.